Activating a Netspend card without a social security number is possible, though it involves alternative identification methods. Here's how to do it. Online activation. Visit the Netspend activation website. Go to the Netspend activation website. Enter card information. Provide your card number and the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card. Personal information. When prompted for an SSN, select the option to provide alternative identification. This typically includes an individual taxpayer identification number or other forms of identification, like a passport or government-issued ID. Complete verification. Fill in your personal details such as your name, address, and date of birth. If using an ITIN or alternative ID, ensure it is entered correctly. Create account credentials. Set up your online account by creating a username and password. Submit and confirm. Review all entered information for accuracy and submit the form. Your card should then be activated and ready for use. Phone activation. Call Netspend customer service. Dial the customer service number provided with your card. Provide card details. Enter your card number and CVV when prompted by the automated system. Alternative identification. When asked for an SSN, inform the representative that you don't have one and request to use an alternative form of ID, such as an ITIN, passport, or another government-issued ID. Verify identity. Provide the necessary personal details and alternative identification information. Complete activation. After the representative verifies your information, your card will be activated.